Welcome to IPCS Automation. Today I am going to explain how to create a trend configuration in TAA portal. In the TAA portal, I am already added my PLC and the SCADA system. You can see the devices and networks here. Here you can see my PLC and the SCADA system. For trend configuration, I am going to generate one analog program here in the program blocks. So that I am going to add one Normex in that I am going to add one Normex instruction and ScaleX instruction here. In that Normex instruction I am going to change the data type. Here my input data type is integer and my output is real. Here also I am changing the scaling data type real to real. My minimum source value is 0 and maximum source value is 27648. In that input value I am going to give one data register here. If you are using analog module and analog sensor, you can directly add the analog input address. Here I am going to use the simulation, so that I am going to add one memory data register here, MW10 as my analog input, and output is MD0. In that ScaleX instruction, my maximum destination and minimum destination value I am going to give. My minimum destination value is 0 and maximum destination value is 100. In that value I am going to give the analog output value MD0. In that output instruction I am going to add one MD4 as my data register. Then I am going to compile the project. After the compilation over, I am going to design my screen here, so that I am going to the HMI RT, and in that screen I am going to add the new screen. In that new screen I am going to add one slider and trend window. So that I am going to select one slider here. And also I am going to select one trend view also. In that controls I am going to select one trend window. After that I am going to add the tag for the slider and trend window. In that slider I am going to the property. In that property the process tag is my analog input tag, so that I am going to the PLC tags. In default tag table I am going to add my analog input tag here. Here I am going to also change the maximum scale as 27648. Then I am going to add the trend window for my property. In that property I am going to add the new trend here. In the trend style also you can select. In the trend window you can add the style whatever you want: bar, interpolated, bind and stepped. I am going to add the interpolated and then click. In that source setting I am going to add the process tag for my trend, so that I am going to select. In the PLC tag table I am going to add the MD4 as my process tag. After the tagging is over I am going to compile my screen. After the compile is over, then I am going to simulate my PLC program. In that main OB, I am going to simulate the program here in that simulation. In that simulation, I am going to select and start search. Here my PLC is founded. Then I am going to load the program. After that, I am going to load the program. Then I am start my module here, so that I am going to select the start module and finish. After the loading is over, then I am going to the online mode. Then I am going to monitor here. Here the monitoration happen. Then I am going to start my runtime here. Then I select my HMI screen. Then I am going to start the runtime here. Here you can see my the trend. Whenever I used to change the slide, you can see the trend will run here. Thank you for watching.